Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are making pilau. It's so delicious, and I'm using broken rice. That's not grade 1, it's like grade 4 or something. So I'm going to start off by adding onions in my pot, and I'm going to cook that until they are golden brown. Yeah. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider subscribing to this interesting channel and watch my previous videos, and I'll appreciate that. At this point, I'm okay with how my onions have turned out, so I'm going to add my garlic and ginger paste and cook that for some while. Yeah. I am then going to add some meat and cook that for a bit. Please increase your meat. I'm just baking this meal for myself, and for me it's not a must. I have a lot of it, so please increase your meat, okay? Meat is expensive, I know, but increase your portion. I'm going to add my spices. I use a number of them. I use curry powder, I use garam masala, pilau masala, and black pepper, and some salt. Yeah. I am also going to use my soy sauce, which you can leave out as well. Please regulate the number of spices you use. Yeah, use what you can manage. That's it. Then I'm going to add some water and I'll leave that to cook for some time before adding my tomato paste. For this recipe, I'm not adding any tomatoes. I'm just going to add the paste and cook it for some while. You know, you don't want to taste paste which is not cooked well. I also added chili, which is so good for the recipe. Please add as much, okay? I am then going to add my broth. This is the water that remained after I have cooked my meat. I'm going to add it and add 1 more cup and a quarter of water. Yes, plus my rice, and let it cook. Okay. Please note that the amount of water should be twice the amount of your rice. So for this case, I added 2 cups of rice. So the water is going to be 4 cups of water, sorry. And our pilau is ready. Yes, it's looking so good. I know this is going to taste so good as well. And the reason that it is not that sorted out is because we used broken rice, but the more quality rice you use, the more kuachana, okay, the more your pilau will be sorted. Okay, so I added parsley, and yes, that's it for this recipe. Please serve well hot. You can serve with kachumbari and avocado. It's so delicious, and then some soda there after. Yes, that's it guys. Please subscribe to my channel. If you found this video interesting, like, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.